everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be making a video that's kind of documenting the before of my beauty room. For those of you that don't know, I just purchased my first home close to 8 months ago, and while I've got everything unpacked, I am starting to do some projects in the house. So I kind of want to show you guys what I've got going on in my beauty room right now, as well as some things that I'd like to change, and maybe you guys can give me some advice about what you think I should do with this space as well. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Okay, so I'll start over here with the door. This is just the door to my beauty room. Obviously, like, it looks like they tried to paint over it, but it's just really kind of a shoddy job. So at some point I'll do that. You guys probably also noticed my cats come in because this door doesn't actually shut. The knob doesn't work. But I feel like that's fixable. Wes and I decided we would deal with some of this minor stuff with the house just because it was a cheaper price point, so we could save some money on the house and can use that for some investment projects. So over here on this wall, I've just got kind of like a stand with some decor. I've got some body sprays, some candles. Here's the second row, it's just got 3 rows. And then here's the third one, just some palettes and things, a little lighter with a candle. This is usually what you guys see kind of in the background of my videos. And then next to it here, there's just like a little storage door. It doesn't go all the way down. It's kind of like halfway up on the wall. So it's kind of odd, but it's nice for storage or if I get a package in that I haven't, organized yet. Over here, I have nothing. I mean, I have a couple things on the wall, but I don't have anything in this corner of the room. This is actually where my desk is going to go. I don't have an office or office space in this home, so I'm working on getting my desk here. Then if we continue going over here, this is my vanity. Excuse the mess, but I'm sorting through a lot of stuff right now and trying to pick out and organize things for some videos. Before I got my new video camera and I was filming everything on my laptop, this is an architect light I got from Walmart, so I would have lighting because in my old apartment I didn't have any natural light, but here, luckily, I do have a window, and some people seem to say that they like the natural lighting better, but if it is dark, I'll usually use this for lighting just because I don't have huge professional lighting. So I think you guys have seen most of this, like the drawers and stuff before, because I have done some Shop My Stash videos. Over here, there is the window, so that's usually the natural lighting that I film using. And at some point I'm gonna go and probably like just redo these walls because I don't know if you guys can see, like if it'll focus here, but like right here on the wall there's like some settling and things, so I need to basically take all of this off because sadly what they did was they wallpapered this room, but then they painted over the wallpaper. So you can see the seams of the wallpaper. I think there's one up there. Yeah, right there. Do you see right here? You can see like the seams of the wallpaper and then they painted over it. So it's not great right now. And I'm kind of dreading that whole process because I don't 100% know what I'm doing with homeowners projects, but we'll figure it out. I do have a little cable thing in here too that I thought it might be fun to have a TV or something, but there are really nice hardwood floors, so I am happy about that with my house. Then at the bottom of the window here, I just have like a little lipstick display. I've got a few more over here. I've just got these like purpley curtains because that's what I had at the time, but again, might be doing some updates. And then here is my tripod and where I normally film. So I'm kind of like standing now where I normally would sit. You guys are seeing the reverse angle. And then I don't really, like I told you guys, have a desk or anything in there. So I just have this little like organizer thing that I usually just put stuff on top of. And that's what I use as my table to film. I wish I could somehow use this to film because I love having that big mirror. However, There's just no way, like, I can't figure out how to set up my camera angle to use the mirror, because if I put it behind the vanity, then it's like you're looking at me like, you know, like the selfie styles that are like this, and you're like, okay, how old are you? That's how it would look if I filmed from that angle, so I really don't want to do that. And then there's the last wall here. So we have Jack here, and I've already talked to somebody about this, and some of you may remember from my first videos in this home, but Jack is here to cover this up. So that basically, there used to be gas lighting in this home. This home was built in 1930. And they took out the gas lighting fixtures that were on the wall, and they put in, now we have like a ceiling fan with a nice little remote and a light and everything, but they never closed the hole. They just left it, and we've got 2 bedrooms like that, oddly. So whatever, we'll figure it out. So here is a recent addition. I know at least some of you have commented that you noticed I got this little Jeffree Star Cosmetics organizer. I really wanted this when it first came out. I hope the camera's picking up, but there's a lot of like, this is holographic, these words. And then there's like greenish, bluish glitter throughout the whole thing that just really spoke to me. And it's meant for these like liquid lipsticks, but I just have a whole bunch of them in there, and it seems to work, and I really just have loved finding ways to display my makeup. Same thing here. I've just got like some different palettes and things in here. And then I usually sit on, this is the bench from my vanity over there, but I just sit here and film in front of my tripod. So I don't have a separate desk chair or anything, hoping to work on that. And then this is all sitting on top of kind of like a makeup storage thing. I've been working on my series of like my collection of blank, like I've done eyeshadows and foundation so far, but it would be a rather long video if I did all my lip products. So I might actually have to break it down into like all my liquid lips, or all of my lipsticks, or all of my glosses, because there's, I mean, this is literally just some of what I have. It's kind of ridiculous, but I feel like lip products are some of the cheapest products too. So over here, I've got 2 drawers of palettes. I have a drawer of like samples of things that have been sent to me that I just want to try out. I have a drawer of like all my face masks. I have just like soap, sunscreen, stuff like that. Some cleansers. I've got lotions, as well as these are just like oils that make your body shimmer when you spray them on. All my highlighters and headbands, and a few bigger blush palettes because I have so much blush now it won't all fit into my desk on the other side. And then the top here is just more like toners and cleansers and things that I wash with for my face. So that is pretty much the room. It's not huge, but I mean, how much room did I really need to film, you know, at this point? And we have a 4-bedroom house, so this is technically one of the bedrooms, but I wanted to use it for this, and I've had really fun with this. So I think I definitely want to get another one of these at some point, just because I really like having all this stuff displayed on top. And I have over here that I'd like to display, and I just don't know what to do with it. First of all, hi, there's more lip products that I just have not organized and don't know what to do with yet, and my little like magnifying mirrors on top here. But this is a gorgeous jewelry box that my grandfather handmade for me. I mean, it's got like this tiger striped walnut wood in the front and handles, and like even velvet line to the inside. And he did like a design on the outside. Like, it's just a really fantastic jewelry box that I would love to get to display, but I don't have a great place for it right now. So I kind of think I want another one of these. But I bought this from Wayfair, and let me tell you, it was a pain, an absolute pain to build. It took me hours. And I mean, it works, and I love it, and it's great, but I really don't want to build another one, you guys. So let me know your suggestions for storage units. Let me know your suggestions for plaster walls with wallpaper and paint over them, and what you think I should do with these walls. I don't think I really want a dark color, but I just need to do something with it. And I feel like it could be more creative with this little like storage door. There's like a little hook, but I just don't know. But I wanted to make a video not only just to give you an idea of what I do for my setup, but to get your ideas on what you guys think I should do. So I know that that was kind of a super short video for today, but I've just kind of been working on projects and seeing what I want to do in this space. So let me know down in the comments below what you would recommend I do with some of those scenarios and problems. Obviously, there's a lot of work to be done in this room, but that's okay. I don't mind doing the work. I just need to figure out what I want to do. If you're new here, hi, I upload new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Please consider liking and subscribing this video before you go, and I'll see you on the next one.